Hey everyone, I will be showing you how to use specific platforms like Facebook and Instagram for digital marketing. Ever wondered why people choose these platforms at different times of the day? Well, you are in the right place because we are going to explore this interesting aspect of digital marketing. Let's kick things off by talking about search platforms like Google and YouTube. When someone logs onto Google, they have a clear intent. They are there to find answers, solutions, products, or information. As a marketer, this is where you want to show up and provide what they are looking for. This can be achieved through SEO, Search Engine Optimization, or Google Ads, commonly known as pay-per-click advertising. Now, let us shift our focus to discovery marketing, which encompasses platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and even YouTube to some extent. On these platforms, users may have intent, but they are often casually browsing. People don't typically log onto Facebook with their credit cards in hand, ready to buy. This is where your marketing strategy needs to be more creative and entertaining. You have to grab their attention and keep them interested in what you are promoting. Both search marketing and discovery marketing are essential for building a successful business. However, like any tool, you need to use the right one for the right job at the right time and place. It is crucial to tailor your approach to the platform and the user's intent. Now, here is a topic that is often overlooked: the difference between marketing products and marketing services. Most marketing information out there revolves around products, which are tangible and easier to showcase. With products, you can highlight features, benefits, and even the story behind them. But in marketing services, you are selling the end state, the benefits, and the results someone will experience after working with you. Another crucial aspect of digital marketing is understanding the differences between B2B or business to business and B2C or business to consumer marketing. B2B marketing focuses on fewer but larger customers, whereas B2C marketing targets a larger number of individual consumers. These distinctions require tailored marketing strategies to succeed. That is for today's video, folks. We hope you have gained valuable insights into the intent behind using specific digital marketing platforms and the strategies that work best for each situation. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content. As we wrap up this insightful discussion on the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, it is crucial to emphasize just how dynamic this field truly is. The digital marketing sphere is at a perpetual state of flux, with new trends, strategies, and technologies emerging almost daily. So, we encourage you to stay engaged with us as we navigate this exciting journey together. We are committed to keeping you informed and empowered with the latest updates and valuable tips to help you succeed in the digital marketing arena. Our mission is to be your trusted source for everything related to this dynamic industry. But we cannot do it without your participation. If you have burning questions or specific topics you'd like us to delve into our upcoming videos, don't hesitate to share them with us in the comments section below. Your feedback and ideas are not only welcome but highly appreciated. It is through this collaboration that we can ensure our content remains relevant and beneficial to you. In conclusion, we want to extend our heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for tuning in today. Your support means the world to us, and we are excited to have you join us on this journey of continuous learning and growth. So, until our next episode, stay curious, stay engaged, and stay ahead in the world of digital marketing. We will see you soon.